babiri n'abavuganira b'ebembezi b'Eminyeeto muri Ibanda Honorable Masikanyisije azirengo akoresa ko b'emitimbagano Eminyeeto cyeyonjire kandi oguno muzembi.
Go and use social media effectively. Social media has the positive side, but the negative, it is the worst. The negative, it wastes a lot of time. And when it comes to TikTok, it's dead. WhatsApp dead. You can make your arrangement with YouTube kasha dini za kuinga. Or you zo musishaya no hikai shaitan. Shaitan atulia kwa ureka ata radio without TikTok. Mano wajega shamwe. No kuliota kadi.
Ogwa zirengo hariho byinji eby'Eminyeeto ikire kuba nekora.
One of their leadership roles is to engage the young people in their respective districts to participate in government programs. That's why they were able to give them the information about the government programs so that they can take this message to the donor structures. Then also they are supposed to do, to engage in activities that benefit the young people. For example, tournament.
Ombebembeza bitabira omushomogo Honorable Ninkusima John Paul MP w'Ibanda South washabira Eminyeeto kwefaho bagakorana amani.
President wenda ko muntu w'amani no twarubiro Kukoresa okushitebekaniza. Sinno ngo tumumbirire ngo kutuyo mutizimbo obwire burahika tushake hine abariya b'ebembezi b'amani ushabo ndijo yare bomwe b'ebembezi ayishirika taho ushaka ko n'ibyo kuganira no takoze ki
Omnyishengero kazi wa Ibanda Honorable Jovrin Kalisa Chomukama ashoborire ngo mushomogu abebembezi nibija kumanya ebahikire kora.
What is important was the awareness in the orientation for them to know how do they start, what do they start with, what do they take to the people as leaders. It is important that even as members of parliament, we've just finished our orientation to know how do we lobby for our people, how do we interpret the government budgets, how do we do the ABCs.
Chairman wa district ya Ibanda Happy Manja habata shabire Eminyeeto kwehayo kuranisa obworo n'obutamanya ombyanga byabo.
N'ekintu kihango ekiyayega omu discussions ezabaho, omu presentations ezabaho, n'amasuku ngutwena twakwatanise kandi bakakura tirebi twabagambira nabaza kurwanisa obworo barwanise obutamanya barwanise nibara ry'emirimo kandi batungene sente bazishe mu government beyombeke bagarike bahereza n'abagenzi babo emirimo ihanga district itebekane na Uganda yitu.
Kandi speaker wa district Muhumuza Godwin ashabire Eminyeeto okukira bari mu murimo gw'amakuru okuba begendesereza omibari kora.
Akare amakuru gakagagira oba kweta news editor acenchura agabantu barakore ki barahurire konka hati buri muntu na editor aho buri muntu yayineki ayindesimu mbone cyo kubanza twegendesereze okutambuza amakuru agagwira fake news kandi cyakabiri twegendesereze okuhandika bitakumanya turebere Eminyeeto mingi bakuzo mukoti
makuru agagasha kwa Ruth Ninsima omuri Ibanda.